Mel 2204, your pageant vlogger host. Subscribe! Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers. Let's have an update for our Miss Eco International 2025 Alexi May Brooks, kung saan ibinahagi niya sa kanyang social media ang kanyang napakagandang advokasya para sa kompetisyon. And as our Miss Alexi Brooks says, just as nature flourishes when it's nurtured, so too can we thrive when we embrace our self-worth. My advocacy with Love Yourself is grounded in the belief that every person, especially in the youth and the LGBTQIA+ community, deserves to live with dignity, happiness, and respect. By promoting awareness, education, and health initiatives like a regular HIV testing, we are not only prioritizing personal well-being but also contributing to the global effort for good health and well-being. In alignment with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, just as we protect and preserve our environment through ecotourism, we must also protect and nurture our mental, physical, and emotional health. Let us create a world where we love ourselves, respect one another, and work together for a more empowered, sustainable future. And of course, sa napakagandang advokasya ni Miss Alexi Brooks, ang ating Miss Eco International Philippines, in advance, congratulations and mabuhay ka sa inyong kompetisyon. Patuloy po natin siyang pakaabangan at patuloy po nating suportahan ang bansang Pilipinas at si Alexi Brooks na nagre-representa nito. Maraming salamat sa iyong panonood at panatilihin na nakasubscribe sa channel na ito para sa lahat ng mga updates.